Did our assessment on the car. We've test driven it. Come to find out, I think the reason why, you can't see it right here, that we're getting a rub on this side and we're not getting one on that side. The strut is okay. I did my test drive and the alignment is cool. It's the fact that this car has 4 different makes of tire on it. So I think even though this tire in the front is the same size as that tire in the back, I believe the shoulder on here is different enough to where it's just enough difference that if you hit a sharp bump, that it'll rub just that little bit, whereas this left side doesn't. I say these rims are truck rims. They're nice looking rims, but they weren't made for this car. And then on top of that, you have 4 different manufactured tires on there. That's kind of a recipe for a headache. But anyway, I think we figured it out. That's a nice piece. All right, folks, let me get to the next thing. Peace.